FabFitFun, fun or flop, let's unbox.
A special shout out to each and every single one of my YouTube members for helping to support the channel.
Hey everybody, and welcome to our summer FabFitFun 2025 unboxing. Do I recall my picks? Absolutely not. So we are gonna unbox them together. It's gonna be like Christmas all over for me. And I do actually have, of course, our two coupon codes and everything that we will talk a little bit later about in the video. If you've never heard of FabFitFun, definitely make sure to check out my playlist so you guys can see the past unboxings that I've done. FabFitFun is actually a subscription. It is not monthly, it is a quarterly box where you yourself get to customize everything in the box. And the one thing that I absolutely love about FabFitFun is the fact that not only are you customizing it, but it is always beauty or lifestyle or fashion related. It's not just one specific thing. But if you want it to be, you can always do that. If you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and let's go ahead and jump on in. All right, so I love for it to be a surprise. Like, I know I made the choices, guys, but listen, okay, my brain gone like a fart in the wind. I will be popping up the prices for you all too. Ooh, look at that. I love the fact that, like, look, my bowl back here, that's from FabFitFun. I get so many of my things from FabFitFun. Oh, this is so perfect. Keep in mind, this is customized to me and the things that I wanted and thought would be a perfect fit for me. So right off the bat, you guys know I've been really into hair care lately. This is something that pretty much was like a re-pick for me because I've already bought this before. The Olaplex number 4 Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo. I love this shampoo. It is perfect, especially if you're like me, you're working out or you just don't like to wash your hair all the time. This is always a great thing to stock up on with your subscription because she's not a drugstore price tag. All right, and that's the beauty of this box. You're getting a bang for your buck. All right, next in here, I got this because my 19-year-old likes to meal prep, also packs lunch going to work or to college. So I thought this would be awesome to get. This is actually by the brand Swell, and we've seen Swell products in past boxes. It comes in other colors too. Their products are so good. As you can see, it's like a stainless steel type of dealio, and it does have like a little where you could salad on one side, your sandwich on another. These are so wonderful. I love the fact that the quality of them is made so well. And actually, make sure if you do pick this out, there is a QR code you're gonna want to go ahead and scan because you are gonna get a special little offer. I love them because they don't leak. They hold up beautifully, and like I said, we've gotten other things in the past and I love them. If you're packing your kids lunch or what have you, this is something that you're probably going to want to consider. It is so good. Before we finish unboxing the rest of today's video, I do want to say thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video and giving us two options to purchase this subscription. The first option that you're going to have is a seasonal option where you're going to save 20% off your first box using my code HOTMESS. I'm going to have the link down there as well as the coupon code HOTMESS for you guys. Now this is where you're going to be billed every 3 months, but if you want to save additional money and get some gifts, then you're going to want to use my coupon code or link down below. The coupon code is HOTMESSGIFT. Now this particular code, HOTMESSGIFT, is actually going to get you a $200 gift for your annual sign up. That is where you just go ahead and pay upfront for everything. And this is actually a better deal because it's going to make the boxes only $55 a box. Whereas if you sign up for seasonal, it will make the box $69.99 quarterly. Now keep in mind, you're always going to customize the boxes directly for what you're looking for, and it is always a variety of things. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the next item in my box. All right, this was something that all I could think about is sun. And right now it is pouring buckets. You probably hear my sump pump going off. There's literally nothing I can do about it. It has rained now for 2 or 3 days straight. But you know what? It's spring. And with spring comes summer heat. And I can't wait because I will be sporting this hat. Look how cute she is. This hat is actually Beach Riot. It's a one-size hat. It's Velcro. I thought it would be perfect for when we are at the lake or what have you, and I've got a messy bun on top of my head because look at this little visor. How perfect is that? But you still got like the shade. And also too, if you want to wear your hair back in a low pony, you have that option. I mean, heck, you could even put this underneath your hair if you wanted to. Anyways, I just thought that this was perfect. If this is not your thing, guess what? You don't have to pick it. There was like a good little variety of different things you could pick. I absolutely love that it's adjustable, it's Velcro, and where the Velcro is actually placed, I really like that because it's not going to snag my hair at all. I have a tender head. Don't pull my hair. Not even one itty bitty little strand. Drives me bonkers. I thought this was cute. It's lightweight. You can fold it up and it's going to be perfect. I'm ready for summer. Next in here, speaking of summer, I got the Bath Sheer Vegan UVA UVB Protection Sunscreen. I've never honestly tried this brand before. We need to protect ourselves. It is water and sweat proof for up to 80 minutes. You get a large size too. Next in here is from Sansia, Australia. I do believe is how you say it. And I got this for traveling. It's a sunglass case holder, and you can hold multiple sunglasses in here, and you never have to worry about it getting smushed or anything. It's like a nice hard type of case. Really nice and travel friendly. And currently what I have right now is just like a little sleeve, and I've gotten my sunglasses crunched in my bag, so I thought this would be perfect. Plus you can hang it on the door so you're not going to forget it or anything. So I love that, and it's like nice and lined on the inside. Alright, last item in here to put all of my goodies in is a bag. This is from Moo Moo, I guess is how you say it. Show me your Moo Moo. Mimu. How adorable is this? There's the tag. Life's fun. Your clothes should be too. Oh, it's lined. I didn't realize it was going to be lined, and it's large. How perfect is this beach bag, guys? And it literally is going to hold everything in here. Oh, it's got a zipper. Oh, I thought I was just stuck with it open. Oh, I love that it closes. This is really, really nice. This is like so perfect for the summertime. I love that the bottom is like a canvas, so I feel like it's gonna wash well. And then of course you've got the inside that is really pretty and lined. It does have a pocket in here too. Everything is going to fit in there perfectly, and you don't have to worry about anything poking through because of the lining. This is, well, I mean, I picked it, so I'm so excited. I love it. I love everything. All right, so that is everything in my personal Summer FabFitFun 2025 box. Now, like I told you guys, if you want to customize your own FabFitFun box, you do have those 2 coupons that you can use. Code HOTMESS is going to be the 20% off seasonal, so you'll get 20% off your first box. You will be billed every 3 months, and that box is going to run you about $69.99, but you get to customize it however you want. If you want makeup products, guess what? Do that. You want some workout gear in there? You can do that too. Then if you want to go ahead and use my other coupon code and just go ahead and pay for it up front, save yourself some coin, and then each box will only be marked down to $55. You're going to want to use code HOTMESSGIFT. Keep in mind, code HOTMESSGIFT is going to give you that $200 free gift for your annual sign up. You're definitely saving money there, but at least we have options if you don't want to fork it up front. You don't have to. They gave us coupon codes for that. I told you guys I love the fact that FabFitFun is not only about makeup and skincare. You have a variety of things you can choose, lifestyle and everything. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna really enjoy the summer picks. I had a hard time making my picks. Let me know if you're excited to get the summer box. And of course, let me know if there's anything in my unboxing today that you plan to add to your FabFitFun. Anyways, friends, I'm hopping off for now. I'll pop up the grand total of everything right here and let me know what your thoughts are below. Anyways, check me out on my other channels, of course, TikTok and Instagram. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. And there goes my kitty cat getting into the box. I think she approves too.